Hi everyone, we'll go back to reaction with Dear Carson. Before we get to you for the next one, about that the lights of skeletons on my computer is because for this month of October in my bedroom, I'm decorating the Halloween. I'm excited for Halloween on October 31st, 2022. About that, why I'm decorating the Halloween in my bedroom only is because, do you know that my dad do not allow me to decorate the Halloween around the house because he do not likes Halloween? Yeah, it's bad for him. So, I'm only decorating the Halloween in my bedroom. It's kind of actually fine for me to decorate around my bedroom for the October 31st, 2022. It would be okay, cool if I did. For the next Sonic Boom was Season 1, Episode 39. So anyways, enjoy the video. Sonic Boom. Battle of the Boy Bands.
Breaking news! An epidemic is spreading across the globe. Beaver fever!
Pandemic Beaver Fever around the globe is spreading? Who is kidding? No, there's something great news for everyone.
Justin Bieber. Girls everywhere are going gaga for this teen heartthrob.
Justin the Beaver? The famous Beaver?
Isn't cool anymore. Well, maybe Justin Bieber will put the bill for private school instead of buying those golf clubs he really wanted.
Justin the Beaver is the famous beaver in the world. How cool he is.
Beaver fever thing is clearly just a marketing ploy to sell substandard music to gullible teenage girls. Who could possibly fall for it?
Isn't Justin great? When I listened to his first song, Girl, I Like You, I wasn't sure if Justin was actually talking about me. But then, his next song was titled, Yes, I'm Actually Talking
Wow,
About You.
Amy, you're excited to see the Justin the Beaver? And did you buy that Justin the Beaver, the merchandise? That was so cool. You're excited to see that Justin the Beaver. What's wrong, Sonic?
Terrible.
I finally have a soundtrack from my nightmares.
I love it! I knew I could rely on Sticks to be the voice of reason. We're through the looking glass here, people. White is black, and black is white. Wait till you hear the rest of the album.
Sonic and Tails and Knuckles did not like that Justin the Beaver.
Sure.
Except Amy and Sticks, they liked the Justin the Beaver.
Hello, Sticks? You ready to go?
What happened in here?
Okay, that music sounds so terrifying. It could be for Halloween.
Oh, is that what's going on here?
Sticks! You are not going to believe it. Justin Bieber is in town, and he's doing a signing at the music shop right now.
Justin Bieber in the music shop for everyone to sign up? Wow. Keep it down, Amy. Sticks, you're hurting my ear, and so is Sonic, Tails, and Knuckles.
I can understand Amy fangirling out, but Sticks? There's something fishy about this Beaver fever. We need to investigate.
I hope you ladies are ready, because here he is. The boy who'd sweep you off your feet if he didn't have such tiny little arms. Your favorite global pop phenomenon, Justin Bieber.
Hey, Justin Bieber. I'm Carson O'Brien, but you call me Director Carson.
You're the only fan I care about. You're the only fan I care about. You're the only fan I care about.
Hey, my baby.
Just step over her. We're not selling enough merch. Turn up the track.
Yo, my dog wants me.
A lot of girls like that Justin Bieber.
Whatever's going
But I don't know for men.
behind it.
Or I mean as boys.
Music industry professionals only. Don't worry, I got this.
What do you mean you got this? Okay, Knuckles, stop that. Your trumpet just gave me freaked out laugh. But that's not good enough, Knuckles.
A boy band? We'll lose our street cred. What about our machismo? Cheesemo.
I know, but if we want to find out what's going on with the girls, we're going to have to man up.
Well, Sonic, you gotta find out, and so has Tails and Knuckles.
Exactly. It's going to take a lot of hard work, so we better get started.
What do you think Sonic, Tails, and Knuckles are doing?
Well, we've still got a little montage time left.
I don't know, but I think they become boys bands because Sonic named it. Wow, sounds like famous. But they're practicing, right? For hours. Yeah.
Knuckles, stop tearing pages off that calendar.
Okay, fine.
We're supposed to be thinking of band names.
Yeah, Knuckles, and put the calendar pages back. And also, flip the page back to October. This month is October, everyone.
Something soft and inoffensive. Something like...
Dreamboat Express?
Ew!
Perfect.
Music industry professionals only.
We are music industry professionals. We're Justin's opening act.
Access denied.
End of Dreamboat Express.
Dreamboat Express? With a name like that, you've got to be professionals. Come on in.
Who is kidding? No.
There he is. Now to find
Access
out
granted.
Your 3 o'clock got moved to 6 o'clock. Your 6 o'clock got moved to 4 o'clock.
I guess it makes sense that he wouldn't conveniently reveal his evil scheme the exact moment we happen to be listening.
Shifting gears completely, how's our evil scheme coming along? Looking good. Tonight, Justin will debut his new single, which has 50% more mind control. Perfect.
Mind controls? What do you think they're both up to? I don't know, but I don't like it, what he said.
And I'll be reaping the profits.
mind control. That explains it.
Intruders! Get them!
Oh, how about that music? I heard it before. It's from the YouTube, everyone. Well, you'll search it. You'll better figure out what's the name of that music.
Mind control. That's preposterous. Justin would never do that. He and I have a special bond. Us too. He even wrote a song only about me. It's called Every Single Girl I've Ever Met.
But it's true. Justin's producer conveniently revealed the whole scheme right in front of us. Talk about
Right in front of us?
Trust us, guys.
About that mind control? That's not so evil barbaric.
So we can spend our life savings on Justin Bieber merchandise. Don't worry. I know just what to do. Since the mind control is embedded in Justin's music track, there must be an opposite sound frequency that could counter it. We just need
Well,
to
then we're
find
gonna use Tails.
the measurometer.
Ooh, measurometer. What does it do?
It really is.
And now, here he is, the nocturnal...
Tails will tell us later, everyone. I don't know. But later on that night in the concert, later.
In order for me to calibrate the measurometer, we need to get on that stage without being seen.
Hey, you there!
Huh?
The show's starting. The opening act needs to be up on that stage.
Go ahead, Sonic, Tails, and Knuckles.
Man, I'm good.
You're ready for it.
What would they do without me?
Has your measurometer discovered the counter frequency?
Not yet. We have to stall Justin.
Who are you? Dreamboat Express. I hate that name. And we challenge you to a sing-off.
What are they doing here?
They're here for a battle of the boy bands. Sir.
Our moves are stale, our harmony's bland, 'cause we're just another generic boy band.
Wow, they're pretty good. I'd love to meet those guys someday.
I knew it. Sonic, Tails, and Knuckles are famous. Gonna be famous, I mean.
Girl, and no other girl will do. He's talking about me! In the face!
Sounds sweet.
Yo, we're bringing it weak and we're bringing it lame. Whatever we
Or not.
it all the same. We're focused, tested, and radio friendly.
The only
And Sonic and Tails and Knuckles are the boy bands.
Interesting girl, and I'm being hyperbolic. Let's call our name into a tree. It's vandalism. What's so fun?
You should expect the expected and nothing more. Cause you've all heard this song and dance before. Our phony baloney image is bland. Cause we're just another generic boy band.
And Sonic, Tails, and Knuckles are the famous of the boy bands.
Take a trip to that place you like and be home before curfew.
The counter frequency! Of course! I should have known all along!
Drop that generic fat beat.
Rock and roll, ladies and
Gentlemen.
Prepare for the bad boy musical stylings of Duty 2!
Oh yeah, I like that.
But now we're here to make you believers. Sonic and Crew, rocking with the chemistry. Crummy boy band music is the enemy.
What happened? Where are we? I don't know. Listen to that sweet guitar.
Wait a minute. People of girls are mind controlled, but now Sonic, Tails, and Knuckles are on mind control them.
From the evil spell of mind control. Now I can move into an industry where I won't be exploited by unscrupulous producers. Hello, humiliating reality TV series.
I'm ruined. I'm ruined.
Oh yeah, you're ruined. But now Sonic, Tails, and Knuckles just rock and roll. And everyone loved it of boy bands of famous. Man, that was a great concert ever. Man, in Everett, people are gonna like that. And also, Sonic Boom Season 1 Episode 39 Battle of the Boy Bands. The end. So everyone, don't forget to like and subscribe so I make some more videos. Before you have to go, don't forget to buy a Halloween decoration so you'll decorate around the house or decorate in your bedroom. If parents do not like Halloween, they won't allow you to decorate around the house. It's fine to decorate your bedroom. Could be cool if you did. So, goodbye.